Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing very important topic, that is AWS Code Pipeline. So it is also called AWS CI/CD pipeline. So we'll be discussing what is the purpose of AWS pipeline, and normally in every deployment AWS CI/CD, this is continuous integration where we integrate our code directly from GitHub to the build, and then continuous distribution where it is deployed, continuous deployment. So we will be discussing what is the benefit of this, and again it is a managed service that is provided by AWS. So Code Pipeline is a continuous delivery service, and through this building, testing and deployment of your software. So it is both CI and CD, continuous integration and continuous delivery. Continuous delivery is a software development methodology where the release process is automated. So the main thing is like there is no involvement of any developer, any tester. Everything is automated, and this is done using continuous integration and continuous delivery. So the automation process where once the code is pushed on a repository, from there it is automatically built. So the building is called continuous integration, and then after once the integration is done, once the build is ready, so it is directly deployed on EC2 instance, on S3 bucket or any cluster, and it is available for the user. Continuous integration is a software development practice where members of a team use a version control, just like we discussed that we need to use any of the version control system, whether it is GitLab, whether it is GitHub, Bitbucket, so whatever version control system is there, and that version control is integrated with your code build. Code build uses a server. Again, it is a serverless environment, so it uses server at the background, and then it compiles your code. Once the code is compiled, the compiled code is now sent to deployed on the server using continuous delivery. And this is the pipeline. So when we say pipeline, so the pipeline from build to the deployment, or you can say the pipeline from the version control to code build, and then code build to code deployment. So this is very important term, and nowadays for any project management process, CI/CD is preferred over the manual process, because here there is no intervention, and again the deployment is done after testing, so we are all sure that everything is done once the deployment process is completed. So friends, this was all about code pipeline tutorial or AWS. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.